Hello, ma'am, sir. My name is Irene B. Mendoza. You can call me Irene for short. I'm 30 years old, single. My height is 150 centimeter and my weight is 55 kilograms. I'm college graduate, took up a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. I have work experience here in the Philippines for 3 years as an helper. I can take care of kids, pets. I can do also cleaning, washing, ironing, marketing, and cooking Filipino foods. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese foods and follow recipe given by my employer. Ma'am, sir, please hire me as your helper. I'm honest, hardworking, and easy to follow instruction. Thank you, ma'am, sir. Have a nice day.